Hi everyone and welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn from Contenta Crafts. Hi, how are we all doing? I hope we are all well. So today I'm really excited to share, and it is this Craft Buddy crystal art kit, and it is of the Grand Canal in Venice. I absolutely love Italy. And once I discovered that Craft Buddy did a crystal art kit of the Grand Canal, I really wanted to try it out. So unknown to me, hubby has gone and bought this gorgeous kit of the Grand Canal, and I'm really excited to get started on it. So I've already unboxed the kit, so I'm going to pop this to one side and I'm going to go through what you get inside your kit. So obviously you get your canvas. Now the great thing about this is it is all ready for you just to pop up. You could put a little hook. You don't have to buy anything else. It is already on a canvas for you. So you would just need a little hook to hook it up on the wall. So it comes in the plastic wrap, which I will remove. And then here it reveals your canvas. So what you have first of all is a protective layer over the top of the canvas, like so. Okie dokie. Then what you get included, first of all, you get two trays. So here are the two little trays. You get two Cricut pens. That's the pens. You get some jelly wax. You also get some storage bags. You also get some grips to pop over your pen, so they've provided one for each pen. Then you get your bags with your crystals, and each bag either has a letter or a number on, and this will correspond with the letters and numbers on the canvas. And you get absolutely loads and loads of crystals. I've got 25 different bags. In a previous video, check it out if you haven't done so already, I did a Craft Buddy happy birthday sticker, and there was absolutely loads of crystals left over. So yeah, I do know you get a lot more than you need. Also, they have other kits available. They do cards, they do other frames. Here's just an example here of the Lion King. Yeah, so I'm really excited to start this on my channel. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokie, so what I've done is I've started with the letter E. I'm just going to start up at the top here, and I can see I've got a few E's at the top. So I've taken my bag that's got the E on, and I've tipped just a few crystals. I know I don't need a lot, and I've tipped them in, and then what you can do is just sort of do that, and a lot of the times they just flip over. Okie dokie. So I'm going to pop these down, and then what I want to do is, you've got your protective layer, so I just want to peel enough back, and before I do that, I nearly forgot, oops. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just pop it in my lid, so peel your little sticker back, and then what you want to do is just pop the end of your pen, so you can see the end of your pen, and what we need to do is just try and grab some glue, so I just tend to go around. You can see I've got my glue in there, and you will then take this to your crystal, and you see how that picks that up, absolutely fabulous. And then what I'll do is remember I said this had a protective layer on, and I'm just going to pop that on the top of there like so. Then I will grab my next crystal and I will pop that next to it. Now if you find you have got it slightly in the wrong place, but you cannot really, just either give it a little nudge with the end of the pen or with your finger. So I can then grab another crystal. Oops, you see that one's gone in the wrong place, so I'll have to take that one off. Just nudge that like so. Take another crystal and then pop that one on. There you go, you can see I've made a little start with the letter E. Now if I come along and down, I can see I've got some more here, so I can pop that one there and then grab that one and just work in this little square like so. Just nudge that along, pop it on. Like I say, if it's not quite where you think it should be, just give it a little nudge along. I absolutely love it. And then if you need to stop, if you say the doorbell rang or something like that, that one hasn't gone right in, so I can just nudge that along a bit. You can just stop, you know where you are, and pop your cover back over the top. And you see already, just chatting, I have done quite a few there, like so, and they're easily enough moved along, like that. And then another one there, like so. And just work, you know, whichever way you wish. I just tend to start probably in one corner and, oops, I haven't got one there, and make a start in one of the corners. But you can start any way you like on your canvas. I think that was all of the E's there, yes. So now I can just pop that back over, and there's that little part done already. I can see I've got some more here, so I could continue here and pop these ones down there like so. And all you do, if your pen runs out of glue, you have your little jelly here. So all you would do is, it's got the protective cover over the top. All you will do is pop your pen in until you get your gel in like that. So you can see hopefully the difference. This one doesn't have any gel in and that one has it there. So you can see you have your red gel, and then once it runs out, like I say, just pop it into your jelly and don't forget to pop your little cover back over. So they've actually provided four pieces of jelly wax. So that should hopefully, I would imagine that's more than enough to do the canvas. Like I say, you see how I pop the protective layer on, so don't peel this off, just keep it on. You can work as quick or as slow as you like. I think it's a great project to do. Yeah, like I say, if you don't feel you're in quite the right place, you can just nudge your little pieces along, and there we go. So already I have done quite a few here. I've got a few there, and then this little bit here, and then like I say, that will just pop over the top like that. And then once you've finished with your beads, your crystals, you have your little bag. So what you can do is just tip those into there like that, and then take your little bag, pop it in like that, and look how simple and easy they are to go in there. And then what I tend to do is, if I've tipped them all out of there, in the meantime I haven't, but when I do, I will cut the letter E out. At the moment, I'm just going to pop them into my little bag, and then I know exactly which beads they are. So that will just seal up. I've got that bag caught a little bit, and then they will just stick together like that. And there you can see, when you come back to finishing with your E, there is your bag. You can see it clearly marked with the letter, and that is that little bit there. So yeah, this is another day, and I'm just popping back on to show you how far I've got. So I've made quite a decent start on it, and I'm just peeling that back, and hopefully you can see the gorgeous orange crystals and the red ones. I've come all the way down to the bottom here and popped some of the red ones, the same along here. So yeah, I've got quite a good start on it. And then the great thing about it is you just pop your plastic back over when you have finished, and that just sticks perfectly to your canvas. And yeah, I think it's going to look fab when it's all done. And then what I do is, apologies for any whistling, first of all, I just like to grab my crystals like so, and I pop everything back into the back of my canvas like so. Grab these ones as well. Like that, and then all I do, is just grab the plastic like so, and I just pop that to store inside like so, and that just keeps everything nicely together until I am ready to use it the next time around. So yeah, there you go. I will be popping back again when I've got a little bit further, just to show you how the progress is going. And yes, if you have enjoyed today's video, please would you consider giving me a thumbs up, and also consider leaving me a comment. I would really love to hear from you, and let me know if you have done any crystal art, And don't forget to check out the Craft Buddy website. And I think that's it. Yes. Also, would you please consider subscribing to my channel? I will be ever so grateful for this. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.